Hey guys, this is Lucky. Say hi to them. Hi. Hello. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ah, that's my good boy, Lucky. And today I'm gonna show you his name, Alex. Hi. They're very naughty. They're very naughty. And there they are over here. I love them. They're like my baby. Hello. There they are. Hello. Ah. Lucky. Say hi. Say wak 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 wak. Oh my god. Oh mama. That's my Lucky baby. What? What do you want? And that's Alex. The chatterbox. Bird. And here we go again. Those are those small birds. And it's a mess in here, guys. Don't worry. Birds are really messy animals. And here's this naughty boy. Here we go. This is the terror girl. She really obsessed of me. But at the moment, I'm not gonna get her. It's because I got Lucky. They're gonna fight each other. And she's trying to get that. She wants to come with me. You can't come with me. I'll just get you later, okay? Take turn first, alright? There she is. Oh, no. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. She's a peekaboo. 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 No. That's Danny. Her mates. That's a female. This is the male. Oh, this is the female. This is the male. Look inside there. They will dance. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Uy. Dance peekaboo, be. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Do you don't want to dance peekaboo? Oh, what are you trying to do? It's nearly mating season. Danny was really possessive. And that's it. I will show you. And this guy's here is, she just loves to come with me. Sometimes she hates me. The only problem, if you don't look after your bird or touch them or care for them, it really gets so distant with you. And here's in our bedroom. It's winter here, so it's nearly winter. 1st of June is winter. And this is my girl today. Hi.
I want a certificate at my
She got a merit certificate from the school for having a funny story. Lucky, what are you doing, Lucky? You think this is Lucky? Oh, suga anak niyo eh. Wanna eat then? And that's all for today. Bye.
Bye.
Mm.
Bye.